Assalamu alaikum.
Join us for an exciting quiz video on the seerah, life, of Prophet Muhammad. Peace be upon him and the teachings of Islam.
Approximately how many days before the Prophet's birth did the elephant incident occur? "50 days. In what AD year did the elephant event correspond? "571 AD. When did the Kaaba fall into the hands of the Christians? Never. Who was Abdullah's mother? Fatima bint Amr? Which superlative is used to describe Abdullah among Abdul-Muttalib's sons? Smartest. Which of Abdul-Muttalib's children was chosen by Lot for sacrifice? Abdullah. How did Abdul-Muttalib settle the vow of sacrifice? He sacrificed 100 camels. How did this incident change the amount of blood money in Arabia? From 10 camels to 100. Who are the slaughtered two referred to by the Prophet? Ishmael and Abdullah. Who did Abdul-Muttalib choose as a wife for his son Abdullah? Amina bint Wahab. Abdullah died while on a journey to buy blank in Medina. Dates. Approximately how old was Abdullah when he died? "25 years old. Where was Abdullah buried? Medina. How long before the Prophet's birth did Abdullah die? "2 months before birth. What did Amina do when informed of Abdullah's death? Commemorated his memory with an elegy. How much wealth did Abdullah leave behind? "5 camels and some goats." What was the name of Abdullah's slave, who later became the Prophet's nursemaid? Barakah, Ayman. How many versions of Prophet Muhammad's lineage exist according to the Sealed Nectar? 3 versions. The first version of Prophet's lineage was considered what? Authenticated. The authenticated lineage of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, traces back to which figure? Adnan. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for daily video seerah. Quranic Arabic. Like, share and hit the bell.